Introduce highlight features or overview summary for MORTENTR wireless Android Auto car adapter. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: Auto wireless adapter for car, the perfect solution for converting your wired Android Auto to wireless. Keep the original car operation and enjoy navigation, music playing, Google Assistant, phone calls, and more with the full Android Auto function. This wireless Android Auto adapter is compatible with Android 11.0 or above and is easy to set up for a hassle-free wireless experience. Please note that your car must support wired Android Auto. Compact and powerful design. This AA wireless Android Auto adapter features a sleek, compact design that is portable yet powerful. Equipped with a USB data cable and a Type-C adapter, it can support both USB and Type-C car port access. You get the world of Android Auto and all the seamless connectivity that comes with it, all wrapped up in a slick little package designed for driving adventures. Performance chip powered by an integrated 5G Qualcomm chipset, this Android Auto wireless adapter delivers blazing fast performance and connectivity. Lightning quick response times ensure a flawless user experience, even under demanding conditions. Overall stability and reliability are enhanced compared to previous generation technology. To use it takes just seconds to link your vehicle and mobile phone. Start your car, plug the Android Auto dongle wireless into the USB or Type-C port and enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your Android phone. Next, pair the adapter by selecting it under available Bluetooth connections. After the first setting, it can be quickly and automatically recognized every time you get on the car. Just plug and play. Enjoy the ultimate convenience of wireless Android Auto in your vehicle. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. And press the bell, select all and press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.